Alright, hey everybody, what's going on? Charles King here, and this is day 3. This is the 3rd video this week. This is 3 videos back to back, and I'm still blown away that it has happened. Like, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the kind comments. You are awesome. So today, I'm going to talk about the last video tip of this week. No, that's not true, because tomorrow is Friday. Today is Friday if you're watching this today. I have literally already messed up the video, so I have to zoom in and zoom out because I'm not filming in 4K. So let's try this again. Today is day 3, and I'm blown away that I'm still doing videos into day 3 right now. So today's video, we're talking about keeping the camera steady and not running around like a crazy person. I am not trying to say there's anything wrong with crazy people. I'm just trying to say you don't want to run around unintentionally looking like a crazy person because your camera's like all over the place. So what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is you want to have your camera locked down on a tripod, leaning up against a wall, on a stack of books. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter! You just want the camera not to be moving around, because when you're moving the camera around, it's distracting when you're trying to do a self-tape, when you're trying to do a vlog, when you're trying to do a talking head, because you don't want your audience totally distracted. Unless you do want your audience distracted, perhaps by something going on in the background or by some interesting camera movement. But that's an advanced topic that we're not talking about right now. For right now, what we're talking about is using the camera in a clean, very sterile, very usable setup, because this is kind of getting started with doing video stuff like that to make your videos look much better. So all you need to do for this is simply do one thing, and that is lock your camera down. So if you're using a mobile phone, you can use something small like this. This is made by Benro. It's a little Benro monopod thing. I'll link it down below. If you're using a bigger DSLR camera, you can use something like the SwitchPod doohickey. This thing is pretty cool, and you can use this to hold your camera up. If you're using a DSLR, you can also use something like the standard vlogger kit, which is these Joby Gorilla Pods, which I currently have on sale actually. But the fact of the matter is you want to keep the camera locked down and not moving all over the place, again, unless you're trying to add camera motion, but that's an advanced topic. If you don't know what I'm talking about by adding camera motion, then don't do it. Keep the camera locked down and leave it there. Keep it clean, keep it usable, keep it sellable. That's what you want to do. So today's tip, keep the camera locked down. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Later!